Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I am not the evil queen, but I do say off with her head. Whose head? I don't know. Somebody deserves their head off, I'm sure. But it's a beautiful fall day. It is October. It is almost the spookiest day of the year. Please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. Do all those things, please. It would be really great. I'm so close to 1,600 subscribers that I can almost taste it. Today we are going to have a look at the Eyescream beauty box, and it's very hefty this month. And this is a $21 a month box, but the shipping makes it like $29, something like that. It's like $8 in shipping, if I remember correctly. Oh, this is tough to open. I try not to open it like with the scissors towards myself so I can avoid some horror spectacular. And it's got a cute little card that tells us what's in there. And it says October Beauty Tricks and Treats. And there's lots of little peanuts. So I'm going to try to get rid of the peanuts real quick. There's so many peanuts. I'll edit this out. All right, let's take a look inside the box. It looks like this. And let's get the calculator out to see how much this value is of this box. And it tells me on the card how much everything is. First off, usually I try to save this for last, but this is the Ace Beauty Paradise Fallen. And this is a beautiful purple palette, and I've had it before. That's the thing, this is my second time getting the ice cream box. And I seem to be getting things that I already have had in the past. Which, it's a beautiful palette. It's very beautiful. But I've already had this and decluttered it. But it's still a gorgeous palette for someone who hasn't had it yet. So I'm not knocking that. And this palette is $35. So there we go, the palette. Then we've got a Mirabella Eye crayon. It's $20 value. And I'm not big on eye crayons. I'm starting to think I'm probably not going to continue to get this box. Not that it's not good. Oh, this is on really tight. It's a really beautiful dark color. Be great for all the fall and spooky looks. It is very pretty. Then we've got from Dew Color or Dough Color some brushes. I mean, this is a great, now, okay, let me say this. This box is great if you're just starting out building your makeup collection. That is the words that I'm saying to you. It is not a bad box. It is tough to open this, but we will open it nonetheless. And here we go. It is 4 eyeshadow brushes, and the value is $16. And those are nice brushes. Dough Color makes some really good, or Dew Color, which I don't know. Whatever, they make some nice brushes. I've bought some of them in the past. And last but not least, and I've had this before, I'm not going to unpackage it, but it is a Belle Pierre 12 Color Pro Matte Lip Palette. And this is a value of $50, and their stuff is always overvalued. And so it's got all these colors in here that you can mix and match to do lip colors with. So you get the lip palette, eyeshadow brushes, eye crayon. Oh, there's one more thing. I missed it. I missed one thing. It is the Crown Studio Glam Shadow Stick in pearly white. See, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. And this is a $9 value. So it was... So it's this makes the box $130 value, and you know, this is great for inner corners and things like that. And then we've got the palette. So you get your money's worth. You really do get your money's worth. But this is for someone, like, I've been building my collection for years at this point. And like I said, this is a great palette. It's very beautiful. I've just had it before. And I don't do anything but liquid lipstick, so this would be great for somebody else. And all these things are nice things. They're just not anything that I need. So I think I'm gonna cancel this box once again, not because it's bad, but because I just don't need the things that come into the box. So I'm giving it a thumbs up for the value, and I think it's just fine. It's just fine. So for someone who's newer to makeup than me, this is a fantastic box to build your collection, for sure. I hope you guys have I said that enough? If you want to build your collection, get this box. But I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.